What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your photo extension or format when taking pictures with the new iOS 26 camera app. After updating to iOS 26, open up your Settings app. From here, head over to the Camera section. From here, tap on Formats. As you can see, you will have the option to switch the camera capture option to high efficiency, which will reduce the file size of images taken, but store them in HEIF or HEIVC format. This format is not great for most photo editing applications, especially if you're exporting your iPhone photos to your Mac or Windows PC. Using most compatible allows you to take pictures in JPEG for images, and H.264, which is basically MP4 for videos, which is much better for photo or video editing applications. You have some additional options below, such as Pro RAW and Resolution Control, which enables you to switch to Pro RAW or 48 megapixels on the top left of your camera app when taking photos. Similarly, enable Apple ProRes to show the ProRes option when taking videos on your iPhone. This will inflate the file size, but is a great format for professional videos. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.